Today's video we are starting our 17.1 maths chapter number 17, that is known as the chapter number 1. So our chapter, and the first question is sets. So number 1 question is write the tabular form. Like here the builder form is given, like in the statement it is given. Now we have to write in the tabular form. Like tabular form is like the numbering form, we have to open these all. Okay, so here a set is given, set of all integers between -3 and 3. So as you all don't know, like if you don't know that what are integers, so integers are the numbers that have both positive and negative. For example, it start from like 0, minus, plus 1, and minus, plus 2, minus, plus 3, don't count this, minus, plus 4, and so on. So these are known as integers. So what we have to do, like we have to write the set of all integers between -3 and 3. So what will be write? So for question number 1, the integers that comes between -3 and 1 is -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Always remember that the sets will be coming in always the curly bracket. So number 2nd question is write the set of the composite number less than 11. What are composite number? So composite numbers are the number that are except than prime numbers. Okay, for example, like 2 and 4 is also a composite number, 6 is also a composite number, 9 is also a composite number. We have to write less than 11. So let us write here. Sorry, 2 is not a composite number, it is a prime number, as we know. So less than like 11 are 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, now part 3, like we have to write, let me show you again. Okay, so part 3 is we have to like x here, x represent the element that belongs to p. P means prime number, and 5 must be greater than x, but means we have to write prime number that is greater than 5. Okay, this is the greater than sign, and this x represent the element. Like p, for example, here x is the element, x here is the element of the p. Okay, so x belongs to prime number, and 5 is greater than x, mean 5 here, x represent the element of the prime number, so 5 prime number should be greater, and this is greater and equal. When this greater and equal will come, so we always think that we also have to write this 13. When this like greater than, only greater than will come, so you do not have to write 13. You like have to write the prime number till 13, but you do not have to write 13. But here, as it is written that greater than and equal to, so you have to write 13. So let us write the prime number between 5 that are greater than 5, not 5 but greater than 5, and till 13. Okay, so 7, prime number 7, 11, and 13. Prime number are the numbers that are divisible by their own number, like 7. Does 7 come in another table? No. Does 11 come in another table except then 1 and its own table? Does 13 come in another table except then itself and 1? No. So these are known as prime number. Another question is that we have to write the real number z is represent the element real number, z belongs to the real number, and the square of the z is equal to 112. So real number starts from 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, so we have to write the real number Okay. For example, if I would tell you that here 4 and z square, so what you will be writing? 2 is the answer, because 2 2s are 4. So what will be the here we have to place a value that will be the square of 1 to 1. So that is right. By mistake I have did the part number 5. I have left the part number 4. We'll be doing that. So 11 and minus 11 will be, if we like 112. So this is the answer. Now moving toward our like this one question for that we left. Y belongs to odd number that are greater than 7, and we have to write 17. Now here, as I told you in this here is the exemption, that here the greater than and equal to is not written. So now we do not have to write this 17. We just only have to write greater than 7 and less than 17. Okay. So what they are? 9, 11, 13 and 14 came, 15 came, 17. No, we do not have to write 17 over here. There's only 3. Okay. Oh yes, 15 is also. So now we will be moving toward our last part. Let me show. So last part is p is an element that belongs to the rational number. If we will be squaring the p, so the answer will be -1. So we have to do this again like this. So let us do this. Okay, here is the exception, like when the rational number are in minus, so they will be converted into iota, sorry. So like the answer will be here null set. Okay, null set means the empty set. Okay.